Hey everyone, today we're going to start our unit on piecewise functions. So this is kind of a little intro to piecewise functions. So in math, so far in our math career, we have just graphed normal functions. Functions like a linear function, a line. We've graphed parabolas, our U-shaped graphs, and we've even graphed some V-shaped absolute values. So where we're going now is we're moving towards something called piecewise functions. They're more than just one graph. For a linear function, I could write an equation in this form right here with a slope and a y-intercept. For an absolute value, I'd write them with an absolute value sign. For a quadratic, we'd have something like x squared. But what happens if we have a graph that looks more like this? If I try to write an equation for this graph, I'm going to end up with a problem. My problem is I can't just write an equation for a line, because a line is just one segment, either going up or down. Well, this graph has multiple segments. We've got lots of pieces going on here. Okay, so if I take a look here, there's a piece there, there's a piece there, there's a piece there. So I can't just write one equation. This is going to be a graph made up of three equations. There's one piece, there's two pieces, and there are three pieces. So I need a new type of equation, a new way to make a graph when my graph is made up of pieces of different graphs. And that's what a piecewise function is. A piecewise function is a function made for a graph made out of different pieces. So what we're going to do in this unit is we're going to learn how to write the equation for a piecewise function, and we're going to learn how to graph piecewise functions. Okay, the importance of piecewise functions, again, in the real world, in general, graphs don't come with just one line or one parabola. They're kind of broken into pieces. And so we need to know how to make those pieces all come together into our equations and our graphs.